In this first tutorial, I will be showing you how to use Microsoft Excel to make a scattered chat. The data that I'm going to use is recorded rainfall in Attorney for the year of 2020. As you can see here, my table is already done. So I'm going to show you how to make this simple scatter chat with using just two columns. First of all, we are going to highlight our table. After that, we go here on insert. We choose this part here, chats. And here we can see there is 5 types of scatters. We are going to use this one, scatters with straight lines and marks. After click it, you can see that we already had the graphic, the chart. Now we need to do some adjustments. Let's start with the axis. By clicking on it, we can go here in axis options again. Now we set to start on the first month until the last month, going month by month. After doing that, you can see that now it's showing like all the months in the year. An important thing on a chart is put it the axis titles. We can go in add chart elements for the primary horizontal and the primary vertical. Just click on it, we can change the name. So let's go and put months here. And rainfall here in millimeters. After that, we can go here and put data labels. So now we can see the correct amount of raining on each month. We can just move it, make it better. Now we can see all the information on the chart. We can also change the style of the chart using this pencil here and go in styles. There are some preset styles that we can use. I like this one, the blue one, so we can see like perfect the marks of each month and then the data label.